In this guide, I'll show you how to transfer videos from PC to iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google, and then you want to sign into your account in the top right corner. Now, once you've done that, you want to select Google Apps in the top right corner, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Google Drive. Once you're here, you want to have a look in the top left corner and click on New. So you have the ability to create a new folder where you can add videos and pictures and more. You also have the ability to upload an individual file or a folder upload. So this will include anything that's in your folder. Now, in this example, I'm going to do a single file upload. So I'm going to click on that one. Then I'm going to click on what I want to upload and go to open. Then if you have a look in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll now see that your video file is starting to upload to the Google Drive. So you just need to wait for this to finish. Now, once it's finished, what you want to do is have a look in the left sidebar and click on My Drive, and here's where you'll be able to see the video you just uploaded. Then you want to go on your iPhone where you can go to the App Store and download the Google Drive for free. And the first time you open it, you'll have to sign into the same Gmail account where you uploaded that video. So you'll see it right here, and what I'm going to do is select the three dots by this file, and you'll have a number of different options, such as sharing it. There'll also be a download button right here. You can copy the link and more. So I'm going to select download, and then it's going to begin downloading to my photos on the iPhone. And then Drive's going to ask if it can add it to your photos, and you want to press allow. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.